Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to be showcasing the new Golem Alpha 2 marketplace, and for those who do not know Golem, they're a pretty solid project that has been around ever since 2017 if I'm not mistaken. And Golem is basically a decentralized marketplace for computing power. So depending on your Ethereums, you can basically have a supercomputer on your sluggish little MacBook, which is my case here. So they're releasing the Alpha 2, which is basically a revamp on their high-level Python API, and also added more OS support, which is always welcome here. And also they have released some bounties for the community to complete, and that's basically why I'm here today. We're going to be doing this one, which is compiling VIM on a single Golem node. And yeah, let's get right into it. You can check my repo for the steps by steps and all that stuff, but it's pretty simple. The requirements are also very clear. You're going to need Python 3 and pip, the whole Docker suite, and the Python packages for Golem. And yeah, let's get into it step by step. So first of all, we're going to create a virtual env so we can isolate the installments for this particular scope, and then we're going to be just don't need that, just installing both of those. So first of all, let's activate our env. Oops. And then install both packages. Make sure that you have Docker already running, because we're going to be building a Docker image right after this. And you can check that out with Docker machine ls. And as you can see, the default, which is the name I chose for my default image, is already running. And yeah, awesome. So we're already in this particular folder in my computer. So all I need to do is use docker build here, and it's going to automatically look for the Docker file, and I've tagged it with the name VIM version 1. So we just need to wait for it to build. So everyone, I'm back. As you can see, I tried and tried to run the same command once again, and it always got stuck here at the last step from the first step of our Docker file, which is just pulling the base from Golem Factory. But once I restarted my Docker machine, the service appears to be working fine. And yeah, right now all we have to do is wait for the Docker command to finish running. So yeah, now that we've done the Docker native command, we're going to do the same thing but on the Golem virtual machine. So yeah, once we run the GVM kit build on the same tag that we did with the Docker command, we just have to wait. And I gotta say, gotta give credits to the Golem team that the loading animations here is really on point. Really awesome. Yep, now that we've built our GVM image, we're going to just push it, which is the same command but with push. And this right now is going to say that we've already built the image. We could probably just do both of those with the same command, which is this one, but let's keep it modular. Yeah, awesome. The test has succeeded, and all we gotta do right now is copy over this image hash to our Python file that we're going to be running later. And yeah, now we can proceed with the Yagna. And right now, this is the part where we're going to need two different terminal windows, because this one is going to be running the Yagna gateway for us, and this one we're going to be running the commands that are using the gateway right now. So yeah, let's do it. We're going to initialize a payment. So I was having some problem by running the Yagna daemon, and that's due to my old version, because I did a golem bounty a while ago, and right now we need to update it. And it's really easy to do that. All you need to do is run this command and then purge the past executions, and this is all explained in the installation video that Golem project did themselves. And the commands are like OS specific here, but everything works fine. So now let's try to run the daemon once again. Oops, it's not implemented yet. Run. Alright. So yeah, now this should be running fine. So yeah, I need to even update here the requirements. So we need Yagna as a requester, which is our role here. Whoops, requester. Because we're not providing computing power, we're renting it. So we're the requester in the end. So right now we can just initiate the payment. And yeah, so it's going to request an ether from a faucet and handle all the incoming transaction and all that stuff. And one interesting thing to note is that in this past version that I was using before this release, it wasn't ether, it was the Golem network tokens themselves. So yeah, I believe the orders has already been propagated. So now we can create a requester key and then export that to our environment variable. Awesome. So that's all we need to do right now. And now we can just run the file, which is vim gvm.py. It's going to take a while because, oh, sorry guys, I forgot the command. Oops, I forgot the command itself, which is export. Export. And right now we can just run it and oops, so yeah, as usual with macOS, Mac won't be really happy when an unidentified developer tries to run code. So just need to open security and privacy and unlock it. We can cancel and allow. And right now it's even going to ask for a confirmation once more. So yeah. So now all we need to do is wait. And this is probably going to take a while because it's basically gathering all the proposals from multiple multiple providers of computing powers. And yeah, we just need to wait. We're back and recording, all fine. So as you can see now, we have our VIM downloaded here. And right now, all we need to do is run this command. So our VIM file that we're downloaded is executable. So yeah, everyone, as you can see now, after running the chmod command, the VIM file we downloaded is now executable, and all we gotta do is vim. And yeah, now it works, so awesome. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more blockchain tech videos. Yeah, bye.